Hi everyone, this is day 19 of my self-improvement journey. So, first of all, don't wasting the time, let's come to the point. Today I woke up at 4 am, but I again slept and then I got up from the bed at 5 am. Then I did some housework and after that I came on the terrace where I practiced my. Sorry, I didn't practice, I just did my exercise and meditation. After that, I went in my room so that I had to go on work with my father. But when we are going, we knew that there is raining, so we postponed our work, and we came to home and without going there, we came home and from the halfway. Sorry. After coming home, I came on the terrace and here I was practicing about my sentences to speak. And yes, I got a video. I got the work documents on which I have to record the audio and I have to also make the edit of that video audio. Basically, that video is totally about related to earning with learning, and I'm keep practicing to speak as an advertisement guy, and I am unable to do it. I'm not able to do it. Sorry. So what I'm looking for, I'm here on my terrace and I'm just keep practicing of this. And I thought that I should record this video because this is also a part of my daily routine where I'm keeping tracking of myself. What will be our? I can do it or not. I just need to do this. So okay, I'm leaving it done here, and now I will practice some more time, and then I will go in my room and looking the idea for video editing and more if my audio will be good, and currently I am not speaking in the way that I should speak, just like I was with main theme. Are you a UG or PG student and looking for sorry, so you can see that how I am speaking in this. Basically, this course is learning for the UG or PG students, and with just rupees 99. In this, they will get monthly payment and complete support whenever if they need it. So I just have to say it in the advertisement form, and I have to make the video over that. So thank you. I will keep going there. Hi everyone, and it's 3 p.m. and I'm on my terrace as usual, and you can just check the weather. Sorry, just see the weather. You can't be observe this as I am observing. Means this is the location feeling like as we all see in the reels, the clouds, the nature, the mountains, which all together makes a feel of the peace, and it is just like this. And I also thought that I should record the video, and if I said about my day thing till I have done in the after the first clip that I have recorded, so I have practiced on my audio practice for the speech, and now I thought, and I'm taking it more time, but I will try to do it completely to make it complete today, and I will not make this video so long. I am just going to record the other video, and where I will think some things and I will mention this. Hey, wait, just a minute. See, so the weather you can see is totally different, and so come to the point. Yeah, this location is going good, so I will speak like this moment and this scene. So today our honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji came in our city, and it's a warm energy for today. I wanted to go in first, but later I thought that I should not go. Means I don't want to be like I will stand at somewhere in the corner and Modi will give his speech. I don't want to meet him like this. Yeah, I got the opportunity to see him from the distance, but I don't go there. So what I am saying to mean, I wish to have a talk with him at least half an hour with personally. I am not like this as a in the crowd like this. Hello, sir, hello, sir. I have some plans and I just want to execute with also with our Prime Minister Modi ji. I just want to be a part with him, and because he has the mindset. But at the same time, what I'm thinking, mm, personally, personal thinking that I am going to share this. Mm, if there is a leader, listen very carefully. If there is a leader, then he is always be highlighted for his positive and negative things. Like our Modi is a great leader, and you can see and you can hear many things about them. So what I have to say, that at some places he trolls at the very negative way, and some places he known as the most positive person and most good persons and by his work done. Sorry, I'm not representing you that because I'm just trying to speak it in the English, and just because this I'm not making it so well. Just focus on the words that I am going to present you. Just I am going to share with you. So yeah, I have some dreams and I'm not letting it represent here. So one day I will have a personal meeting with him over half an hour, and I want it with him because I have some plans and I just want to be access to it to meet with him and get the idea to how to execute this, what his way and how he see this perspective. So later I will not make it more because the things that I have I can't let you hear. I have not only one thing or one dream. I have just more and more dreams to come true. And the first one is that I am doing it here. The making video, making myself proud, making self-improvement journey, tracking, you can say. So it's 3 p.m. and yeah, it's the third clip of the day. Now I'm going in my room and there I will share. Then after that I will go to my coaching, and after coming from there, if I got the time, then I will record the video, and if I don't get the time, so I will make it complete here. So thanks for watching this video, and if you watching this video, so just support and be a part of Hustler. Bye bye.